part of ancient India, from the 8th to the 12th century, the Tomar dynasty, also known as the Tomar dynasty due to schwa deletion in modern vernaculars, held sway over parts of present-day Delhi. Their reign is evidenced by numerous inscriptions and coins. But their dominance was not eternal. In the 12th century, the Chahmanas of Shakambhari rose to power, seizing the Tomars' capital in Delhi. Yet, the Chahmanas' reign was short-lived as they were soon displaced by the formidable Ghurid ruler, Muhammad of Ghor, in 1190 to Common Era. A 14th century inscription credits the Tomars with the construction of Dhillika, the precursor to modern-day Delhi. And encircling this city stood the formidable Lal Kot, a fortified wall built by Anangpal Tomar. Among the Tomar rulers, 3 kings shared the name Anangpala. One of them is credited with establishing the iconic Lal Kot citadel in the Mahrauli area. Additionally, the construction of the Anangtal tank and the Anangpur dam is attributed to him. Legend has it that the last Tomar Rajput king, Anangpal Tomar, also known as Anangpala, passed the throne of Delhi to his son-in-law, Prithviraj Chauhan of the Chahmana dynasty. However, historical evidence suggests a different story. According to historical records, Prithviraj inherited Delhi from his father, Someshwara, who captured Dhillika and Ashika. It is likely that Someshwara's brother, Vigraharaja IV, defeated the Tomar ruler Anangpala III. Thus, the legacy of the Tomars lives on, etched into the annals of India's rich history. Monuments built under the Tomar dynasty. Kila Rai Pithoda. Lal Kot, the first Red Fort of Delhi, stood as a marvel of architecture and strength. While today's Red Fort, or Lal Killa, was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, Lal Kot, originally called Kila Rai Pithoda, preceded it in grandeur and significance. The fortress of Lal Kot was so magnificent that there was no other fort of equal height and firmness in the entire world. Believed to be constructed during the reign of Tomar king Anangpal, Lal Kot's origins date back to 1052 CE. Anangpal brought the famous iron pillar from Sonk in Mathura and had it erected in Delhi, serving as the center around which numerous palaces and temples were built. Eventually, Lal Kot, with a circumference of more than 2 miles, was constructed around them. The walls of Lal Kot stood 60 feet high and 30 feet thick, a testament to the ingenuity and engineering prowess of its builders. Anangpal, a Tomar ruler, is credited with possibly creating the first known regular defense work in Delhi, known as Lal Kot, which Prithviraj later extended for his city, Kila Rai Pithoda. Today, the ruins of Lal Kot's fort ramparts are still partly visible in the area around Qutub Minar, a reminder of Delhi's rich history and the enduring legacy of the Tomar dynasty. Explore the echoes of ancient Delhi's glory with Lal Kot, the first Red Fort of Delhi. We hope you all liked this second episode of Historical Monuments of Delhi. Stay tuned for the next episode. Your friend Ravindra Kumar Gupta, RKG.